All right, let's get some reasonable assurance on the controls of a service organization, right? Now, what is the scope of 3402? You are the service auditor. So, this is an insurance assurance engagement undertaken by the professional accountant in public practice to provide a report on controls at the service organization to be which is going to be used by the user entity and their auditors. Yes. What is the meaning of controls at the service organization? They're talking about the achievement of control objectives, and aspects to be included are the control environment, monitoring and control activity, and which are related to the services provided by the service organization. The question here was, what is the importance of controls at service organization to the user entity for their which is related for their control of the financial reporting? So we said no. Controls at the service organization operation and the compliance with the objective may be relevant for the user entity and internal control as it relates to their financial reporting. And the controls may pertain certain assertions about the presentation and disclosure of account balance, class of transaction, and disclosure at the user entity. And controls may pertain to evidence that user auditor evaluates and uses in applying in the ऑडिट प्रोसीजर. सो यूजर एंटिटी के लिए .2 में रेलिवेंट है एंड यूजर ऑडिटर के लिए .3 में रेलिवेंट है एंड इसके लिए ये कंट्रोल्स एट द सर्विस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इंपॉर्टेंट तो है बॉस. यस. What was our objective? Our objective was simple. We have to obtain reasonable assurance whether in all material respect based on the suitable criteria, service organization's description of their system is presented fairly throughout a specified period. Second, the controls stated in the description are suitably designed throughout the specified period and control objectives are achieved in case of type 2. And to report on the matters stated above in accordance with the findings. How are you going to agree to this kind of engagement? First, you will accept and continue the engagement. For acceptance and continuation, you will see only three things. What you will see, whether it is your competence and capability to do something like this. Second, the criteria which is applied by the service organization to prepare is going to be suitable and available to the user entity and their auditor. And the scope of engagement and its description of its system will not be limited so that it becomes unlikely for you to be used by the user entity and their auditor. फिर तो सीन ही नहीं है ना ऐसा कुछ engagement करने का. Then if they put any change in your scope of work, then please check if there is any reasonable justification to do so. Service organization can only do stupid things like that. Now, how do you assess the suitability of the criteria? First, पहले understand करो what is suitable criteria. Suitable criteria is a benchmark used to evaluate and measure the subject matter, including where relevant benchmarks for the presentation and disclosure. Now, how do you assess? So basically, they are telling you responsibility that you shall assess whether service organization has used a suitable criteria in preparing the description of its system, in evaluating whether controls are suitable, and अगर type 2 report दे रहा होगा तो controls are operating effectively. Do we need to consider materiality? The answer is big yes, because we have to see all material respect. So when planning and performing an engagement, the service auditor shall consider materiality with respect to the fair presentation of the description, suitability of the design of control, and in type 2 reports, operating effectiveness of the control. Guys, are you comfortable so far? There is a question on how are you going to collect the evidences? So if you have to collect the evidences regarding the description, please obtain and read the description of a system and evaluate whether those aspects of the description are fairly presented. जो आपके स्कोप ऑफ एंगेजमेंट में लिखा था. हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू कलेक्ट द एविडेंस रिगार्डिंग द डिजाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल? पहले अंडरस्टैंड करो कि कौन से कंट्रोल नेसेसरी है फॉर अचीविंग दोज ऑब्जेक्टिव जो आपके डिस्क्रिप्शन में, जो एंटिटी ने डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिखा है, एंड देन यू इवेल्युएट वेदर दोज कंट्रोल्स आर सुटेबली डिजाइन. कंट्रोल की इफेक्टिवनेस के ऊपर आप कैसे एविडेंस ऑब्टेन करोगे? टेस्ट करके. और कैसे करेंगे? सो यू विल टेस्ट whatever controls which are necessary to achieve the control objective. टेस्ट कर लो एंड देख लो कि भाई उसके डिस्क्रिप्शन के साथ में जो ज्ञान दिया था उन्होंने वो अचीव हो पा रहा है एंड दे आर ऑपरेटिंग थ्रू आउट द पीरियड. देन अगर ये करने के लिए, if you already know that your entity, your service entity already has an internal audit function, then please understand what activities are they performing. Are their activities likely to be relevant for you in order to perform your work? If yes, then determine how you can use the specific work of internal auditor. Then please also obtain certain written representation. What written representation? Three written representation. First, ask them to give you in writing that the description of the system is fairly presented. Second, they have provided all the relevant information and access agreed with you in the scope of engagement, and they have disclosed you following matters. What? During the period, was there any matter of non-compliance with the laws and regulation, fraud, or uncorrected deviations? Second, were there any deficiencies in the designs of the controls? Were there any instances which can prove that the controls were not operated as described? Or were there any subsequent events after the date when you had prepared the description up to the date of assurance report that could be significant on the service auditor assurance report for preparing that report? And in the end, please also inquire if there are any certain events subsequent to the date of date of description of that system and the date of your report that could have significant impact on your report. Now, you personally feel that you did not like the way they have done the description. You are not happy with the description of because you don't feel it in all material respect they are presented fairly. Modify the opinion. You are not happy. You feel that in all material respect the controls are not designed suitably. Modify the opinion. In case of type 2 report based on the control testing, it doesn't provide any reasonable assurance that the entity is going to achieve their control objective based on the description, the way they are describing it. Please issue the modified opinion. Or in case if you are not able to obtain sufficient and appropriate evidences, the service auditor shall modify the opinion, and the service auditor's assurance report shall contain a clear description, all the reasons why you are modifying the opinion. What do you say, guys? Make sense? Covered all the point? कुछ छूट गया है क्या इसके अंदर? डॉक्यूमेंटेशन वाला पार्ट? हाँ, लगा मुझे. सो कैसे डिसाइड करें कितना डॉक्यूमेंटेशन करना है SAE 3402 के अंदर? उतना डॉक्यूमेंटेशन करो एटलीस्ट कि कोई एक्सपीरियंस्ड ऑडिटर हु हैज नो प्रीवियस कनेक्शन विद दिस एंगेजमेंट इज एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपने क्या प्रोसीजर लगाया था, उसका नेचर, टाइम एंड एक्सटेंट क्या था टू कंप्लाई विद द लीगल रिक्वायरमेंट और द स्टैंडर्ड. What were the results of the procedure and the evidences obtained? What were the significant matters arise during the engagement and the conclusion reached thereon, and the significant professional judgment in reaching those conclusions? And that concludes SAE 3402. Now, the only knowledge that you need is how to do a review engagement. Tomorrow. What do you say, guys? Perfect? Done with the revision? Yes, Kiran, tell me.
मैम, ये जो कलेक्शन ऑफ एविडेंसेस है ना, तो उसमें ना उसके बाद आपने जो भी पॉइंट्स करवाए सब्सिक्वेंट इवेंट्स तक वो सब आ जाएगा.
सब्सिक्वेंट इवेंट का कितना, एक ही तो पॉइंट था ना उसके अंदर?
नहीं, मतलब वहां से जो शुरू करते हैं हम लोग के डिस्क्रिप्शन, उसके बाद कंट्रोल्स का एविडेंस, उसके बाद ऑपरेटिंग इफेक्टिवनेस का एविडेंस, और उसके बाद पॉइंट है इंटरनल ऑडिट, फिर रिटन रिप्रेजेंटेशन एंड सब्सिक्वेंट इवेंट.
करेक्ट.
अगर वो क्वेश्चन आया तो उसमें ये सब पॉइंट्स आ जाएंगे ना?
यस, ब्यूटीफुल. यस, बिल्कुल. कैसे एविडेंस कलेक्ट करना है, ऑल 6 पॉइंट नीड्स टू बी देयर इन योर आंसर. चलो, इसी बात पे मिलते हैं tomorrow. Have a nice rest of the evening, everyone. See you guys tomorrow sharp at 5. Please be on time, and we'll finish review engagement. Both nothing extra, just the reviews tomorrow. But एक engagement बहुत ही बड़ा है, थोड़ा छोटू सा है. We will be able to finish that tomorrow, right? अगर time बचेगा तो recall कर लेंगे same concepts. Perfect. All right. Bye, everyone.
Thank you. Bye. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Thanks.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.